Now what we are going to see is that, oh, cancel, I'll just mail this to you all. Yeah, okay, that is the correlate. Now what we are going to do is that, just I'll close this window. Actually we have created one table here for the previous one, so I'll just close this. Yeah, this is a scenario. So I have created one employee table. I am inserting 3 value records into the employee table. Okay, now I am adding one more table with the employee salary. This is thing. So I inserted them. I'll just take new query, and in order to show the query side by side, just you can right click on this at the top, right click on this and click new vertical tab group. That will be done. Okay. So now if I do the select star from EMP, and I'll write select star from again. Select star from EMP sal. Just execute them. Now you got 2 records, right? My scenario is that, assume this is a real thing. You will get the same scenario in the company. My scenario is that I want to get the list of employee ID and employer name, and who is I want to get the list of employee who is having the maximum salary. My scenario is that, show me the list. Yeah, I want to like this one. What is the question? I want to get employee name who is getting maximum salary. Can anyone say this one? How to do this?
Select employee name from EMP.
Who is this?
Monica.
Okay, Monica. Select employee
Name from employee table.
Okay, 1 minute. Select EMP. Yeah, name from
EMP.
Okay, from employee. Okay, from employee table. Okay, where
salary equals to max.
Where salary? How you are going to join with this table? You can do it in many ways, as you can also use the previous one also here. But yeah, you can't use the previous one. I want the output like this. Okay, my output should look like this. Okay, I need to get the EMP ID, EMP name, and the salary. The salary should be the max salary. Whoever has a max salary, for them I should get the details like this. So who has a max salary here? This guy has a max salary, right? So I should get 2. I should get name as B. I should get salary as this one, 877. So it may be anything, 87729.3232.
You can use the whole text subquery.
Yeah, 1 minute. Can you please hold for a minute?
Sure.
Yeah, Swati, okay, 15 minutes, na? Yeah, 15 minutes. నేను ఆల్రెడీ సొల్యూషన్ రాసేసిన, నేను టెంప్ టేబుల్లో చేసేసిన, జస్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది అంతే. సరే, ఓకే, సరే మరి. యా 1 minute. శివన్ ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ దాకా పడుతుంది, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం కాదు కదా. సరే హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ yeah someone said right, so where, go ahead. Hello.
Where?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I mean, from the beginning, I'm telling select
Okay.
EMP ID,
Select emp id,
comma EMP name
name,
from EMP,
okay, from emp,
where,
where,
open the parenthesis,
okay,
select
select
EMP ID
emp id
from
from
EMP cell,
emp cell,
where EMP, the table is EMP cell, right? Where EMP cell is equal to max of EMP cell.
oh okay where emp cell equal to,
Okay, instead of that, correcting your myself, select EMP ID max of EMP cell from EMP cell.
okay yeah, okay, I got it, but let's check that. Select emp id comma max of emp cell, okay, I got it, done, that's nice, great. So after this we need to do group by, right?
Yes.
Group by emp id, okay, and here where is enough, you need to give emp id also, right?
Yes, EMP.
Right, equal to, are you going to see, like, see what is the columns written by this, you are getting 2 columns by this, right? Okay, yeah, so you are taking emp id and max, how many columns you are getting, you are doing the group by emp id, so for each emp id it is giving the maximum salary.
Correct, that's wrong then.
So then which one you will be using? Here we can use DerivedTables, okay. So now what I'll show you, so whatever you did, it's nice, it's a great thing, the same thing, just one thing I will be using, okay. First I'll go with the step by step. I want to get the maximum emp id and the maximum emp salary, like 2 and this one I need to get, right? In order to get that, first what I am going to do, whatever you did, I did the same thing, but I'll just take the emp id in the maximum salary, okay. So then I'll get the salary, okay. Now in order to get the salary, who is having that maximum salary, so then what I will do, select star from select id comma name from, what is the table name, emp sal, okay, emp sal, where emp salary equal to bracket open bracket close, that's it. So what I will be getting now, I will be getting, sorry, emp sal doesn't have id and name, right? So I will just get emp sal, okay. So when I do this, what I will be having now, I will be getting the 2 things, it, oh sorry, it is emp id, not id, emp, yeah, anything. So now I will be getting 2 and that one. Did you get my point? Now what is my next task? I need to join this output with the other table, okay. I need to join this output with the other table to get the emp name, okay, to get the emp name. So how I will do, inner join,
Bhaskar, sorry to interrupt you.
yeah, go ahead.
In the earlier select query, you have written group by because we have used a aggregate function.
Yeah, so aggregate
Whereas
function,
in the second,
yeah, go ahead.
in the second statement, you have not written that group by.
Yeah, that is because here you are asking it to group by, for each emp id you are asking max salary, right?
Okay.
But here I am asking for entire table. So when you do the entire, there is no other column used, right? So you can just try this, there is no need for you to use a group by. So you will use a group by whenever along with aggregate query, if you have any column, then you will use a group by, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a scenario I got. Now I want to get the name also. The same output I will join with the table. How I will join? Inner join. Okay. Inner join, what is the table? It is a EMP. On what condition I will be joining? EMP sal dot EMP ID equal to EMP dot EMP ID. And here I will call that column. See, the EMP ID is there in both the tables, right? So here I will write, I will name the table name EMP dot EMP ID. This is from the EMP salary, EMP salary dot EMP salary. Oh, I need to get the EMP name, right? So EMP dot EMP name. That's it. When I do this, I will get the EMP sal. Okay. So now when I do this, now I will get the output. That's it. Name ID is the same output which I expected. I got this. This is a one way. There is other way by using the derived table. The same thing you can use a derived table. The thing is that select star from. Okay. So this is first approach. I will remove all unwanted one from here.
Bhaskar, in the don't delete that. I just wanted to add
Okay.
one more thing.
Okay.
There.
Okay. Okay.
Here, where EMP ID is equal to select top EM sal
Yeah.
from EM sal order by EMP sal descending.
Top. Okay. Yeah. You are good. Yeah. That's nice. Great. You are going to top EMP.
Top 1 EMP sal
Okay. Top one EMP sal.
from EMP sal order by EMP sal descending.
Yeah. Whatever you said, great. Nice. But you did one small mistake.
Okay.
Order by
That
EMP sal descending.
sal descending.
That's nice. But instead of EMP salary, you need to give EMP ID.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yes. But this can be done only. No, we can do for how many our records we want.
No, no. Suppose if you have the maximum salary, if you have multiple people have the maximum salary, 2 to 3 people. Can you get this? No,
Then we
right?
can- no,
You
then
can't
we
get
cannot
this.
get.
Yeah. It is only for
Only
one.
for
That
one we
that's great, nice. Because if you want to get anything scenario, then this is the thing you are going to do. Yeah, you got it right.
Yeah.
But the thing is that, oh sorry, we have just lost the team viewer connection. I think I need to start a meeting ID again. I'll just start the meeting ID. Control C. Hi Monica, meeting ID I just mailed to your ID. You can just connect M15. Yeah, actually you need to use a different one. I mailed you now. The same thing will not work 2 times. Yeah. If I want, I can say you M15 303 608. Hi Dhanlakshmi, actually we lost our meeting, so I just mailed this one to all of them. Yeah, Shilpa, Monica, Dhanlakshmi, yeah, Durga is here. Just we'll wait for Likita. Yeah, that's the reason. Sometimes it get automatically. I think I didn't. I think I pressed something. I don't know exact. So this is the thing we'll be following. Whenever we had some issue, like if the TeamViewer gets disconnected, then again I'll just immediately mail you the same ID. I'll create a new meeting and again mail you, because this is for the non-commercial purpose, right? Just we can use the same thing.
There is nothing on the screen.
You can't see nothing. You can't see anything. You can't see my screen.
We
No.
we just
We
see
can-
the desktop screen. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's the only thing. I didn't.
We
I
thought you have opened the SQL.
yeah, no, we didn't. Just I'll call Likita. I think she is somewhere. Hi Likita, we just mailed your meeting ID. It's a M15. If you want, I can say you. M15 303 608. M15 303 608. Yeah, you got. Okay. So where are we now? So whatever you say, it is exactly correct. Okay. But the thing is that you can't get EMP salary here. Can you get the EMP salary from the inner query to the outer query? Shilpa,
Yes, Bhaskar.
can you get the this? You said this query, right?
Yes.
That is good. But you can't get the inner query to the. You can't get the EMP because I want EMP ID, EMP name, and salary, right?
Mm-hmm.
But can you get the salary here?
Yeah, I mean instead of select top one EMP ID comma EMP sal also if you put it will come.
No, it will not come. Then, okay, you know that the EMP salary is different, but out. So if you get the EMP ID, that EMP ID should take this as a EMP ID or EMP salary as EMP ID. Only one expression can be specified in the select list, not multiple, right?
Okay.
So that is a one more scenario, but it's nice, good. This one is you will use this approach for other thing. Yeah, great. Because there are many cases where you need just only one ID to check whether that ID is there or not. Okay, it's a great, yeah. So this is a thing. Now there is another way for using the derivative. So I'll mail you all the stuff. Okay, so this is the approach. Okay, this one I'll paste it at the end. I'll make it as answer 1 and this is the answer 2. Answer 2 is a derived table. Okay. So what is the derived table? I'll explain you. Now this is the answer 3. Answer 3. I'll just write it. Okay. I'll just mail you. Okay. Yeah. So what is a derived table? Derived table is nothing but, see, one thing you need to remember. So what we are doing in the joins, again I lost this pen. Actually I am having some issues with my notepad. Yeah. So what is the thing we did like previously? We just did some select. After that what we did from we did join, right? Select from table A and we join table B. Okay, join. We will write some inner join and outer join and we will write some kind and we will write some conditions here. Here we are given directly the table name, right? We are given the table name B. So whatever the columns we want to get from the table name, you will be directly calling here the table name dot column name, right? Let's say instead of the table name you might get some query. Instead of the table name you can write that query also. That writing that query is nothing but the derived table. Okay. Now we are going the same concept we are going to do in a derived table. So what I will do, just first thing I will write select. I will write the columns later on. Okay. Select select from what the first table I'll be taking as EMP, okay, and after that inner join, okay. Inner join, instead of the table name I'll write some query, and that query I'll name it as some EMP sal. I'll name it as EMP sal. So what will be the query? The query which I got here, like she made it, right? Top EMP sal, right? Okay, sorry, control that. So first I'll write a query here at the below. Select EMP ID, comma EMP sal, max EMP sal, max EMP sal as EMP sal from EMP sal table group by EMP ID. So when I execute this, I will be getting this one, okay. I will get the output. And see, always whenever you do aggregate functions, actually now I got EMP sal as a column. Now I will not be getting any column here. If I use this, if I don't give alias, then it will show as no column, okay. You can see the column name as no column, okay. See it now. Just I will copy this query, I will paste it in the EMP sal. But when, see, this is nothing but instead of the table, we actually, when you do the inner join, we will give the table name, right? We will give some table name here, but instead of the table name I am writing the query. So writing the query is nothing but it is a derived table. The concept is called the derived table, and for that one you are giving some alias name, because if you don't give that name, which name the system will take? System doesn't know what is that entire query table name is called, right? So you are deriving the query, and that query you are naming it as again EMP sal. Whatever you want, you can name it. And on what condition you will be joining here? EMP dot EMP ID equal to, you can assume this as a table, same like table, EMP sal dot EMP ID. That's it. And at the top you will be calling, right? I will be calling EMP dot EMP ID, comma EMP dot EMP name, comma EMP sal dot, from this table, whatever the output we get from this one, we are calling that as a EMP sal. So whatever columns you get, you can call that column here EMP sal. But which column you will be calling now? Because you are getting, when you run this query, you are getting as no column, right? So you can't call directly no column name. So that's why you assign some column name here as EMP sal. Now you can call that column name. When I run this query, you will get, instead of the no column, now you will get the EMP sal column. See. So now by using this name, because whatever the results you get, that results, it is nothing but the derived table. So you are naming that table as EMP sal. So whatever you want from this output, you can directly call from this name and that column name, EMP sal dot EMP sal. That's it. This is other concept where here it is on condition, on, that's it. So if I run this, then I will get the output. See, same thing I got. Oh, sorry. Yeah, one more thing I need to do, because when I use the max, I will be getting this one for all the outputs. Okay, I will be getting all the records as EMP ID and this one. But now my scenario is that I want to get only one EMP ID. So the same thing we do as the previous one we did. Select EMP ID, comma EMP sal from EMP sal table, where EMP sal equal to this one. So this is a thing that I need to add one more. Now it will be okay. Yeah. So I'll just copy this. So whatever, if I run this, then I'll get only one record. You can see here. If I run this query, I'll just get only one record. See. Oh, I did group by. I need to remove the group by, because when you do a group by you will be getting multiple records. Now it's done. You get only one record. See, that's it. I'll just delete this and I will paste it here. And this concept is nothing but it is called as derived table. Okay, this concept they call it as derived table. So instead of writing the table name, you can write some query, and that query you can name it. And whenever you want to take any output from the query, you can directly call by using this name. That's what we did here, emp.emp salary. I'll just execute this query. You can see I got ID and name, ID and emp salary. See, by using emp salary, I am joining with the with this emp ID table, emp table emp ID. I am joining with this emp ID, and I am getting the same emp salary by calling with the emp salary one, this one. Okay. See, now you can see when I execute this, now I will get the output. This is nothing but the derived table. Okay, this is the way. This is like you can see now three approaches. One is a normal thing. This is a derived table, and derived table is nothing but instead of a table name, you can write a query name. Okay, that is a table name. So the same thing you can write in other way. I'll show you the other thing. Not only this, for the practice purpose, I am saying, if you want to do some derived table. Okay, so this is the output, right? This is the output that you are getting. Derived table is nothing but instead of the table you can write any query. So now if I write here select star from, okay, instead of the table, after from, instead of a table, I can directly give this query. So for this one I can directly give now. See, I kept the query in the bracket. Now I'll run this one, then I'll get the output. See. Oh, sorry. Actually, I need to give the alias, right? I'll write the table as give A. I'll name it as A. Now you can see, I'll get the output. Okay. So this is nothing but the derived table. Instead of the table name, I kept the bracket and I have given the alias. Inside the bracket, I have written some output. So whatever is there, it will consider that as a table, and that output will be written at the out. See, I have given the star. So whatever the columns I am getting the columns outside. Okay. This is the derived table. So everyone is clear with this?